In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me share. We will walk through a couple of quick things you can do when the share button stops working or nothing happens after you click it, so you can get your design out to your team or your client without having to rebuild anything. Now let us start by refreshing Canva. On your browser, click the reload button so the current Canva page fully reloads. You should see the Canva loading screen for a moment, then your dashboard or design will appear again. This clears out any temporary glitch in the page, which is a very common reason the share option suddenly fails. Once the page has reloaded, reopen the design you were trying to share if it is not already visible. Click on that design thumbnail so it opens back up in the editor. When the editor loads, you should see your pages, the toolbar at the top, and the share button in its usual place. Opening the design again, make sure Canva has the latest version of that project in the editor, rather than a half-loaded copy. With the design open, try sharing again. Click the share button at the top right. After you click it, you should see the sharing panel or dialog slide open, with options like invite, link sharing, or download, depending on your account. If this panel appears and you can type in an email or copy a link, that means the refresh fixed the issue and you can continue sharing like normal from here. A small delay after clicking is normal, especially on slower connections, so give it a moment before assuming it is stuck. If refreshing did not help and the share options still do not open, the next thing to do is sign out and back in. In Canva, look for your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen, then click it. In the menu that appears, choose the option to log out of your Canva account. When you log out, the page will change to the Canva sign-in screen, and you will no longer see your designs or folders listed. After that, sign back in to refresh your session. On the sign-in screen, enter your usual login details or use your normal sign-in method and complete the login. When the dashboard loads again, you should see your recent designs across the main area and your folders on the side, just like before. Open the same design you were working on, then click the share button again. In many cases, signing out and back in clears account session problems, so the share panel now appears and lets you invite people or copy a link without errors. You have now refreshed Canva and your account session, so you can share your design again without the share button getting stuck. So if this helped you get your project shared, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like fixes like this, feel free to subscribe as well.